Hello friends, and welcome to another tutorial video. Today we are going to discuss the / commands in the chats and how you can use them. Today we are going to discuss the different kinds of / commands that you can use as a moderator in a chat or as a streamer in a chat, because there is a slight difference in commands that you can use as a streamer which you don't have available as a moderator. So let's get into it. So as a streamer, if you just type in the / in your chat, you get a whole list of commands that you could use in your chat, such as reply to a message instead of having to click on the little reply thing in the chat, or you can announce messages, you can ban people, you can clear the chat. First thing that you can choose as a streamer that moderators do not have is have a commercial break. You just use the / commercial and then the length of the commercial. I would recommend like 120 seconds, because that will enable the pre-rolls at the beginning of a video when new people come into your stream for about 35 to 40 minutes. So that means that you have basically 40 minutes without ads at the beginning of your stream when new people click on your stream to come in. So I recommend doing that whenever you have a little stretch break or when you have to go grab something, roll an ad so that the new people won't have an ad. Besides, if you're not on stream, people are not really missing out on the content that you are making. Then we have the / goal command, which will open a different menu for you to create an actual goal that will appear into your overlay if you have the overlay link in your overlay itself. You just type / goal, press enter twice, and you get this whole screen of what your next goal is going to be. The browser source link is right here. You can just click on copy and add that to your streaming software as an overlay resource. You can customize the colors. You can select if you want to have the subscriptions or the followers, and you can edit the goal to, let's say, for me, it's going to be 400. Let me delete the 3. There we go. And you can add a description, more amazing people, and then it will look like this when you have it enabled in your browser source. As a streamer, when you are offline, you can also use the host command to have someone else's stream play on your stream. So when people come to your stream, they will see the video of the other streamer and might interact with them as well. It's a great way to support each other. You just use the / host command and then the channel name. Make sure you spell it right. Press enter, and it will host that streamer on your page. If you want to unhost or stop hosting, you just do / unhost. You can only do this on your own page. You cannot do this on someone else's page or host for someone else. Then you also have the stream marker. For example, you get like a bot rate, then you can use the / marker and the description, which will make like a marker on your stream on the timeline, so you can exactly know where in your stream something happened. You can find it back easy. Then a couple of commands that I personally really think are way easier than having to go to creators dashboard and look for affiliate or wherever that roles section is. You just do / mod and then the username of the person that you want to be a moderator in your stream. Make sure you check with them if they want to be a moderator. But yeah, you can just simply use / mod and then the username in your own chat, and that will make that person a moderator. If you want to unmod someone, you just use unmod and then the username as well, as you can see right here. Then we have the raid command. You can just type / raid and then the username of the person that you want to raid, and you will bring all your viewers there. That's also a great way to like support other streamers, to show everyone who you watch as a streamer, who you interact with, and stuff like that. It's great to help each other out. Let's say you used the raid command, but you made a typo. Just simply use / unraid to stop the raid, and it will stop the raid. As well as making someone a moderator, there is also a way to make people VIP in chat. Just use / VIP and then the username, and then that person will be a VIP in your chat, which makes them able to talk in emote only chat. They can chat in subscriber only chat if I'm not mistaken. They are immune to slow chat and stuff like that. And then as well, if you want to un-VIP someone, you just type un-VIP space username, and that will remove the VIP. Then we just have the basic / commands, which just changes like the color of your username in the chat, or you can gift someone, you can block someone, unblock someone, help, which gives you like a detailed list of all the commands. / mods gives you a list of all the moderators that are in the channel. VIP, same thing. And then vote, you can vote in the active poll. Then we have the commands that both the streamer and the moderators can use. So let's start off with the first one, which is announce. This is basically letting you make an announcement in the chat, which will stand out. For example, when there's a poll active and you want people to notice the poll and make a vote in there, you just use an announcement message. You can even pick a color. I will show you with the, let's say, purple one. As an announcement, and it will show up with the purple things on the side, so people will notice that there is an announcement going on. It's a great thing to make people notice something in the chat. It's a great thing to have in a stream. Then we have the /ban command, which I think I also covered in a previous video, but basically if there's someone in your chat and you're not in mod view and you want to ban them, you just do /ban and then the username, and that person will be banned from the Twitch chat and the stream. If you want to unban someone, you just do /unban and then the username, and that will unban them. Next off, we have a poll. If you use /poll, it will pop up a different screen where you can actually make a poll and then start the poll, and then it will pop up on the stream. Not everyone will notice that. That's why I'm personally using like the announcements to let everyone know, hey guys, there's a poll up, make sure you vote. Let's say you did a poll for like 10 minutes, but everyone already voted. Just do end poll, /end poll, press enter twice, and the poll will be ended. You made a poll, but you accidentally put yes in twice as an option. Use delete poll and it will remove the poll. As I have discussed before, there are also different kinds of chat modes that you can put the chat in. For example, there's emote only chat, there's subscribers only chat, there's followers only chat, and there's unique chat. A unique chat is where you can only send one message once, which is a good thing to have if you don't want to have people spam a lot. But if you don't have people spam a lot in your chat, there's no need to turn it on. For that, you just write unique and then it will give you the option to turn it on and off. Same goes for the emote only and emote only off, and you have the followers only chat, which also gives you option for how long you want it to be in followers only chat. The followers only off will turn that off, and you have the subscribers only, which will turn that on and off. And then for slow mode, you just do /slow and then the duration of how frequently someone can use a message. So let's say for like 15 seconds, that will be, which allows you to send one message, and then 15 seconds later you can send another one. We discussed a poll. There's also /prediction, which also gives you the option to start a new prediction. It will pop up with a screen with manage prediction, and then you click on start prediction, and it will give you like the options of previous predictions, and then you just press start prediction and it will pop up on the screen as well. Keep in mind, as a moderator, if you start a prediction and you use your own channel points in that prediction, you will not be able to close that prediction. And then to end the prediction, you're going to have to open that prediction menu up again. So you just do /prediction, and then you can end submissions or you can delete. I'm going to delete this one. And then you get the message saying like the prediction will be removed and the channel points will be returned to the people who actually use the channel points. You also have the /timeout, which you can use to time out someone. So you just do /timeout space username space how long they need to be timed out for. And then if you want to untime someone out, you just do /untimeout and the username, and then it will put them back in regular chat mode. And that was it for today's video. I hope today's video was very useful for you. I hope it explained a lot. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Go check out my Twitch page if you haven't already, and maybe I'll see you there next time. And if you have any other suggestions of what you want a tutorial of, please let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget the thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!